What's up everyone? Josie here with Brinkley RV. Today I am sitting in a Model Ix floor plan and we're going to be showing you guys a super awesome feature. It is going to be our feather lift hidden bed system. One of my favorite benefits to our feather lift bed system is going to be the additional seating that it gives you in this couples coach. So when you're not using your mattress, you can tuck it up out of the way here, and it actually really opens up your living and entertainment space. Let me show you how easy it is to open this bed up. So the first thing you want to do is drop the back of your couch. To release this mattress from its locking position, you're going to want to push the release pedal that is down here below your wardrobe. And then once this releases and drops down to you, you are going to have a residential queen 7-inch feather topper mattress. It is super comfortable, and unlike other manufacturers and other floor plans like this, your mattress is not going to have that big annoying split in it. I hope this information was helpful to you guys, and if you have any other questions or are interested in our Model Ix product, visit our website at brinkley rv.com.